Hi, my name is Puvanaah Manokaran and I'm from Manipal International University, Malaysia. I'm currently doing my bachelor's in computer engineering and I recently had the opportunity to participate in Smart Intern's externship program opted for artificial intelligence. This program was a great exposure for me about AI, and as I've already learned about AI in my course, but it was in limited time. So this program was a huge help when I could learn this AI subject in my own pace and time. And I was also given a project to work on and see for myself how AI is used and incorporated. It was very easy and convenient to work with this program as everything was taught from the scratch and in detail. Throughout this program and the project, the Smart Interns team were very attentive to the participants and when it comes to lecturing, clearing doubts, assigning tasks and so on. So overall it was a great experience and opportunity for the participants. Thank you.